Hello friends, I am Brisha, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology. Today we are discussing about the subject database management system, the topic normalization of database. So we are moved to the detail about normalization. Database normalization is a technique of organizing the data in the database. Normalization is a systematic approach of decomposing tables to eliminate data redundancy and undesirable characteristics like insertion process. Okay, it is multi-step process that puts data into tabular form by removing duplicated data from the relational tables, update and deletion anomalies. So before going to the normalization, we need to understand what is the updation and deletion anomalies. Okay, then it is helps to the normalization process help to remove the duplication redundancy of undesirable characteristics and removing the duplicated data from a table. So we all know the database management system is the characteristics of a table inserted data. Removing these tables, the duplicate data by using the normalization process. Normalization is used for mainly two purposes. The first one is eliminating redundant data. Redundant data means the useless data. If we didn't use data in a table, that is we are eliminated that data first. The first purpose is eliminating redundant data. The second one is ensuring data dependencies make sense, that is data is logically stored. So we go into the definition of normalization. What is normalization? Normalization is a process that improves a database design by generating relations that are of higher normal form. We have different kinds of normal forms. First normal form, second, third, fourth, and fifth. The objective of normalization is to create relations where every dependency is on the key, the whole key, and nothing but the key. So hope you understand about the objective of the normalization. So this is a relation. So here the diagrammatic representation of normalization. I already discussed, told that the one normal form, two normal form, three normal form, then BCNF. BCNF is Boy's Code normal form. Everything is included the next level. The one and of if this figure shows that if a data is BCNF, Boy's Code normal form, which should be 3NF, and if the 3NF is, which should be 2NF and 1NF. So every normal form is included in the another form. A relation in BCNF is also in 3NF. A relation in 3NF is also in 2NF. A relation in 2NF is also in 1NF. Hope you understand this diagram. Then next is problem without normalization. Without normalization, it becomes difficult to handle and update the database without facing data loss, insertion, updation, and deletion anomalies are very frequent if database is not normalized. To understand this anomalies, let us like an example of student table. So we understand every topics in this database management system. We consider a table and datas. Okay, the table is have the attributes student ID, student name, student address, and subject object. Here we have four student details for node 1, for node 2, for node 3, for node 4. You already know the student ID is a primary key, is unique ID. Next, we have to go to the anomalies, types of anomalies, updation and insertion and deletion anomalies. Updation anomalies to update address of a student who occurs twice or more than twice in a table. We will have to update student address column in all the rows, else data will become inconsistent. Then next is insertion anomaly. Suppose for a new admission, we have a student id, sid, name and address of a student. But if student has not opted for any subject yet, then we have to insert null there, leading to insertion anomaly. So that is we didn't need we didn't insert any value, so that is a null there. So that is the insertion anomaly. Then deletion anomaly is for not one, if for not one has only one subject and temporarily he drops it, when we delete that row, entire student record will be deleted along with it.